students, welcome you to your e-learning science class that is organized by Badwan Model School. So I am your Akhi ma'am is with you today. Previous day already I told you one story that was before some months ago I went to Alipur Zoo. There I saw so many wild animals were there and they are making many variety sounds. Somebody doing moo, somebody roar, many because there were lion, giraffe, tiger, rhinoceros, and so many deer, fox, wolf, so many animals were there. So today we learned something about this animal. That means the sound of these animals, okay, but it is not in your syllabus, okay. You will do all these things orally, okay. Now let's for today's, okay, let's start. So sounds of animals, you will do this one orally, that means verbally, okay. This is not in or written form, this is orally. You will learn all these name of sounds name you will learn. Here I have given some names, just lion, tiger, cat, dog, goat, wolf, fox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 animals and its sound. We should write down now. You will also learn all these things verbally. Okay. So first let's start today now. First it is lion sound. What is the sound? This is the king of animals or king of jungle. So the king of jungle, it will be like king. So the king of animal sound, it is roar. What is the sound? Roar. We write down roar. The sound of lion is roar. Okay. Sound of lion is roar. Thereafter, the national animal of India, tiger sound. It is also roar because lion, tiger all are from cats family. So tiger sound, it is also called roar. You will tell with me, roar. R-O-A-R, roar. Okay. Lion sound also roar. Tiger sound also roar. Thereafter cat sound. Cats, it is make sound mew. We'll write down cat sound mew. Okay. M-E-W, mew. So cat sound is called mew. Thereafter dog. Have you seen how the dog are making the sound? They are woo woo. That is bark. That is bark. Dog sound is called bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. So lion sound roar. Tiger sound also is called roar. Cat sound is also mew. And dog sound bark. Dog sound bark. Now goat sound. Goat sound is called bleat. So bleat. Goat sound is called B-L-E-A-T. Bleat. So goat sound is called bleat. Goat sound is called bleat. Thereafter wolf sound we come here. Wolf is howling. Howl. Wolf sound is called howl. H-O-W-L. Howl. So wolf sound is called howl. And last is fox sound. It is also same like dog. So it is bark. It is bark. B-A-R-K. We already learned so many names today. Now your turn. You will practice all these names orally at your home with the help of your parents. So for today, till now, tata.